Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Just want to drop in and show you guys that I bought another grill for the Lincoln. I bought this right here on Amazon. Put the link in the description if you guys are interested in getting one for your car. So give me a moment. I'm going to take this out the box and I'll bring you guys right back. So here we have it. Beautiful chrome shiny grill. I like it. I'm replacing the one on my car because up here it's starting to bubble along the top, and then on the fins they're starting to have just a little bit of pitting. Not bad. It looks really nice. I take care of it. I clean it, try to polish it as best I can. But I think it's time for a new grill. Like I said, I bought this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested. So yeah, once I get my car back, go ahead and put this bad boy on right here. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. Just want to drop in, say hey, and show you an upcoming video that I'll be doing with this right here. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Peace.